Good afternoon, students. Today we will start the second unit, which comprises phenols, aromatic amines, aromatic acids. Today we will start the phenol. Okay, structure of phenol. Structure of phenol. How it looks? Here, what happen? Your hydroxyl group is attached to the benzene ring. Okay, hydroxyl group is attached to the benzene, then it becomes phenol. Okay, now in the phenol are molecule that have a hydroxyl group attached to the carbon atom of an aromatic ring. Okay, means here look at the structure. Here one benzene ring, in benzene ring oxygen is is attached to the one of the carbon atom. Also oxygen atom is attached with hydrogen atom, so it becomes phenol. Okay, in phenol hydroxy functional group is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the benzene ring. sp2 hybridized carbon atom just we discussed in benzene. In benzene we discussed about the benzene having sp2 hybridized system. Why sp2 hybridized system? This is you know very well. Now the interaction of 6 unhybridized 2πz orbital of carbon atom of the benzene ring, it leads to the formation of delocalized pi electron cloud. Okay, as we seen in the benzene possess delocalization of pi electron. Delocalization of pi electron. So what happen? This delocalization pi electron are responsible for formation of resonating structure. Okay, this is we discussed earlier in the benzene structure. Now in this, just look at structure. The COH bond angle. The COH bond angle. C from where? C is carbon of benzene ring. Carbon of benzene ring. And OH is hydroxyl group, which is responsible for the formation of phenol. Means OH attached to the carbon atom, means this is COH bond angle is phenol is 109 degree. Okay, 109 degree means particular bond length between where in the carbon oxygen and oxygen hydrogen, in between that angle is 109. The carbon oxygen bond length is 136 pm, carbon oxygen bond. And next one is carbon oxygen bond length is slightly less than in methanol is 142 pm. Means in methanol this is somewhat 142 pm is somewhat longer in methanol. CH3OH means in the next point we have to compare our phenol, means acidity of our phenol is compared with alcohol. Which alcohol? Methanol, ethanol. This we will see in the next lecture. Okay, now you should keep in mind the bond length of hydroxyl group in benzene is slightly shorter, whereas bond length in oxygen hydrogen bond in where in your alcohol is slightly longer. Okay, means bond length is between hydroxyl group and carbon atom, and bond length is between in the methanol bond length is between hydroxyl group and carbon atom of that particular methanol. In methanol only one carbon atom is there. Like structure, what is the structure? CH3OH. CH3OH means here how much carbon atom? only one carbon atom, whereas in ethanol 2 carbon atom is there, C2H5. Okay, and in benzene, in phenol, what is the number of your carbon atom? 6 carbon atom. Okay, what is the molecular formula for phenol? C6H6O. Okay, and what is the molecular formula for benzene? Is C6H6. Okay, means this is the molecular formula. But now you just keep in mind bond length of your hydroxyl group and carbon atom of benzene ring is shorter, whereas bond length of your methanol or ethanol, that is carbon bond length between carbon atom and hydroxyl group is somewhat longer. Okay. Okay, now just we will discuss the general properties of your phenol. Okay, what is the preferred IUPAC name for phenol? Means we are saying like phenol. Systematic IUPAC name is benzenol. Means just we can say phenol is your common name. We can say phenol is a common name, and systematic IUPAC name, or we can say that IUPAC name is benzenol. Okay, other name, what are the different other name? Carbolic acid, phenolic acid, hydroxybenzene, phenic acid. These are the some other name. Then chemical formula. What is the chemical formula? C6H6O. C6H6O. Okay, and molar mass, we can calculate the molecular weight, or we can say molar mass, by using this chemical formula. Okay, then what is that? 94.11 gram mole inverse. Appearance: transparent crystalline solid. Means how it looks. What is the state? Which is it solid or liquid or gaseous? But phenol is solid one. It having transparent crystalline solid nature. Order: sweet and tarry. Density is 1.07 gram per centimeter cube. Then melting point is 40.5 degrees Celsius. Means if your room temperature is getting increasing in summer days, then phenol can easily melt out. So this particular phenol compound having very less melting point. Boiling point 181.7 degrees Celsius, and solubility in water 8.3 gram per 100 ml at 20 degrees Celsius. Means it can be easily soluble. This is a general properties of your phenol. In next lecture, we will discuss about the acidity of phenol. But now just we have some general what is the reason behind the acidity of that particular phenol ring. Why phenol is acidic in nature? Because it possesses OH group. OH is you know about OH is responsible for, means generally we are saying that those compound who possess H plus character, which is known as acidic compound, or we can say acid, whereas those compound who possess the OH group like NH4H or otherwise NOH, we can say that this particular compound is basic in nature. But what happens in phenol? We can say that phenol is acidic nature, though it contains OH group. So here, why OH phenol having OH group attached to the benzene ring, but which is acidic in nature. Here what happens, these particular compounds, oxygen, which having the ability what which possess the lone pair electron. In this lone pair electron of this oxygen compound, which having the role, or we can resonate throughout this structure. Also in this OH, H from this OH group, H from means H of this hydroxyl group, which removes itself without its lone pair of electron. Means here what happens, H removes itself, and the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, which shifted towards oxygen atom. Okay, as bond between oxygen and hydrogen atom shifted towards oxygen, so what happens, H becomes more electrophile, or we can say that this is electron deficient. H plus means which possess the positive charge. Positive charge means is nothing but this is electron deficient. So H plus removes itself without its electrons. So this negative charge of this particular oxygen atom, which is resonating throughout the structure, and which is the responsible for the lower acidic nature of your phenol. Okay. In the next lecture, we will discuss in detail about the acidity of phenol. Okay. So today we just draw the structure of your this particular compound phenol. Okay, and we just study the general properties of this phenol.